इसको तेज कर लेती ना।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So this is your history class and we'll be discussing question answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आपने बोला था
Yes,
चैप्टर पढ़ाएंगे
बेटा नेक्स्ट पीरियड में पढ़ा लेंगे ना।
मैम आपने बोला था
नेक्स्ट पीरियड में ज्योग्राफी का सेकंड चैप्टर फोर्थ चैप्टर शुरू करेंगे, बट इन द ज्योग्राफी पीरियड दैट वी हैव, राइट? वी हैव वन मोर क्लास टुडे,
Yes.
right? See,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll do question answers. Hardly some questions are there. Otherwise, you all know that the questions that are there, which are made between the chapter, that are more important than the ones which are there at the back. But we need to do them because sometimes, you know, what do the people do? Like these people do, they give questions from the NCERT only. The questions that are at the back, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So be ready with your books.
I'm ready.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. हाँ जी. So the first question says, write notes on the following,
History.
right? हाँ, it is history only. Beta, wait, I need to take your attendance as well.
Okay, ma'am.
And tell me one thing, would you like to do worksheet for this chapter, or you directly will do question answers?
Ma'am, question.
मैम दोनों कर लेंगे
तो ठीक है, question
Yes,
answers
हाँ,
and then
दोनों भी सही है.
both will do.
Yes, ma'am.
पहले question answers then the worksheet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
Good. Chalo, read out the first question.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Abhyuday. Yes.
Write a note on Giuseppe Mazzini.
हाँ, write a note on Giuseppe Mazzini.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, you want to give
He
the
was an Italian revolutionary who was born in Genoa in
Genoa.
1807. He was sent into exile at the age of 24 in 1831 for attempting a revolution in Liguria. He founded two secret societies, namely
society. Huh?
and Young Europe. He
Hmm.
inspired the young members of these society to involve in revolutionary activities.
Fine. What else?
Ma'am, following his ideas and on the model of his secret societies, more such societies were set up in Germany, France, Switzerland, and Poland. Australian Chancellor Duke Metternich
हाँ.
once
बेटा
once
Metternich नहीं.
described him as
अभ्युदय wait. It is not
yes,
Metternich.
ma'am,
It is Metternich. CH silent होता है ना.
Metternich.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am. Metternich once described him as the most dangerous enemy of our social order.
जब आपने इनिशियल स्टेजेस में फोनिक साउंड्स करे होंगे तो CH is always pronounced as k. So it
Okay,
is
ma'am.
Metternich, not ch. Metternich
Okay.
नहीं है. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
ऐसे ही आप बहुत सारे बच्चे आप लोग जो है यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज जो है उसको फ्रेंचाइजी बोलते हो. इट इज नॉट फ्रेंचाइज, इट इज फ्रेंचाइज.
Yes, ma'am. It is franchise.
हाँ, मेनी ऑफ यू से दिस.
Yes, ma'am. Like
चल.
me.
मैम
And
आपने जो
then
पीपीटी दी थी उसमें मैम ये आंसर है और मैम बड़ा था उसमें बहुत.
आंसर्स हैं उसमें ये. दैट्स रियली वेरी
मैम
गुड.
Yes,
मैंने
ma'am.
मैम ऑल इन वन से बोला है मैम, मेरे पास ऑल इन वन है.
मैम आंसर नहीं था मैम, गुसीब मदीनी का पूरा टॉपिक था.
हाँ, गुस्सैप मजीनी के बारे में था ना. एग्जैक्टली. तो
Yes,
ठीक है,
ma'am.
आई विल बी शेयरिंग. मुझे आज एक बार लास्ट पीरियड में रिवाइड करा दीजिएगा. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके मैम.
चलिए नेक्स्ट वन.
Count Camillo de Cavour. Ma'am, it is Cavour.
हाँ, कैवर. काउंट कैमिलो डी कैवर.
He was the chief minister of Piedmont. He was neither a democratic nor a revolutionary, but he led the movement to unify the religion of Italy through tact and diplomacy. He entered into an alliance with France and succeeded in defeating Austrian forces in 1859.
ठीक है. See, the same thing is given in the book also, where the Italy's unification is given. So you people can always write from those paragraphs which are there, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so all those who are there in the class, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Then
ma'am.
we have Ajit. Oh, no, I am writing on the attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
Then we have Aryan Maurya. Aryan Maurya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we have Bhumika.
Present, ma'am.
Then we have Gaurav.
Present, ma'am.
Then we have Kartiki Bhatt. Mohammad Kaif Raza. Kaif, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Niharika,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Right. So these are 8 students, right? Chaliye. See, the note writing that you have, you may get these questions for 3 marks, right? But you will not get them for 5 marks. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The Greek War of Independence. It was a successful war waged by Greek revolutionaries between 1821 to 1832 against the Ottoman Empire. Greek nationalists were influenced by the idea of liberal nationalism. They were supported by the West European countries in this war of independence. Further, the poets and artists who added romanticism to the Greek struggle of independence. Party क्या लिखा है? Participated in this war against the Ottoman Empire with the Treaty of
Constantinople.
Constantinople in July 1832. Greece was recognized as an independent nation.
Okay, we can.
Ma'am, what?
We can go with this, but it will be better if you cut short. Do not write. No need to write
Yes,
all the
ma'am.
details that
Ma'am,
are given
because
in
it
the pack.
is too long. Ma'am, we can cut that last two lines.
No. See, you can write that when the Greek War of Independence started, then who all contributed in it. Then you need to specify about that English poet Lord Byron also. And then
Yes,
finally,
ma'am.
Greek was declared independence after the Treaty of Constantinople in 1832. I think 4 points
Yeah.
are more than sufficient.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay. Next, Frankfurt Parliament. The German.
Wait,
Yes, ma'am.
Bhumika, will you
Yes,
read?
ma'am.
मैम एग्जाम में जो कि नोट्स आते हैं इनको भी मैम पॉइंट में लिखना होगा.
No. I'm just telling you that if it comes as notes, you can give only 4 points, but in a paragraph you can write.
ओके मैम. तो मैम खाली मैम क्वेश्चन आंसर होते हैं मैम पॉइंट में.
Because there are several ways of asking questions, They may not directly write short note on Guiscard Mazzini. They may ask you that who was Guiscard Mazzini? What was his role in Italy's unification? Right?
Yes मैम. Yes
Because
मैम.
he was an Italian revolutionary, no?
Yes मैम.
So carry on.
Yes,
Ma'am, Aryan Mora wants to read.
Yes, Aryan, read it up.
Frankfurt Parliament.
Hmm.
First, it was convened on 18 May 1848. Second, it was disbanded on 31 May 1849 as it lost support.
But then you need to specify what exactly this Frankfurt was. It was a group of people who organized themselves. Here comes Lovelace. बताइए.
It was
Aryan?
an all. Yes, ma'am.
Carry on.
It was an all German National Assembly formed by middle class professionals.
What else? बताओ भाई. बस इतना ही लिखी है हमारे.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Navdesh. What took you so long to come to the class? Sleeping?
Sorry, ma'am.
No, it's okay, beta. It's okay. I understand. Fine. Don't say sorry.
Yes.
Hanji, Aryan, any other point to be added in that?
Don't know.
Okay, can Niharika tell the answer of this question? Niharika?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell the answer of this question? Frankfurt Parliament. Do you have the book with you?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो बच्चा.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the German middle class decided to vote for an all-German National Assembly in 1848, and in 1831 persons were elected. They comprised the National Assembly. The Assembly decided to organize the parliament at Frankfurt in the Church of St. Paul. Thus, on 18 May 1848, the famous Frankfurt Parliament was convened.
Okay, fine.
The
Wait a
assembly
minute. Hanji, next.
The role of women in nationalist struggles. Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Ajit, you can try always, anytime.
The role of women in nationalist struggles. Artistic representations of the French Revolution show men and women participating equally in the movement. Liberty is personalized as women. Also, liberal nationalism propounded the idea of universal suffrage, leading to women's active participation in nationalist movements in Europe. Although women had actively participated in nationalist struggles, they were given title or no political rights. An example being the Frankfurt Parliament, where women were admitted only as observers to stand in the visitors' gallery. I'm done.
Okay. Very good. Next. I hope you all have see after that Frankfurt Parliament that we have no bit of 10C is also joining us, right? So we'll stop the question answers here and we'll do the worksheet. Let once
Ma'am.
right? It's okay, beta. It's okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Haan.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
Chaliye.
Ma'am.
Good morning, Viresh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Keep joining, keep joining.
Ma'am, do we have history of civics?
Beta, this is history going on and we'll be doing a worksheet for chapter 1. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. I think with C section, we are over with the question answers, right? Right, Tess?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll do this worksheet. It is interesting. Let me see how many of you can do it, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta Himanshu.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kanika. Okay, many are there in the row. Let everybody join. See, your class is merged with 10th A. So we'll be doing worksheet for chapter 1 that we have already completed. Good morning, bache.
Ma'am.
Good morning.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nana.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, what we are doing in this class?
Beta, we are going to do a worksheet, right? Let me share the screen with you.
Ma'am, we have to do this worksheet in pair copy.
In the notebooks you will be doing. Only the answers you will be writing, okay?
Okay.
Srishti is joining from 2 devices. Why is it so? Share screen. Share. Where is the WhatsApp? Admit. ये तीन उससे ज्वाइन कर रही है सृष्टि. सृष्टि खुशवा, सृष्टि गौतम है और सृष्टि सिंह है. सृष्टि सिंह is in this class.
Yes, ma'am, in A section.
Acha, she is in A section. Okay. Page not found. WhatsApp web. Okay. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. एक मिनट, वेटिंग रूम में कौन आया ये? चलिए. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Keep doing these question answers.
Ma'am, just the answers.
हाँ. First answer whichever option and the word. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And try to do it. Shall I share it on the class group so that it is easy for you people to do?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
But no cheating, huh? But no cheating. Please do not search
Yes,
these
ma'am.
answers on the Google, right? So I'm sharing it, though I'm sharing it here also, but I'm sharing it with you people also in the group. 10th A and 10th C, right? Make sure that you complete it before the class ends. How many questions do we have in this?
Ma'am, second question is not visible.
Next question shall I show?
Ma'am, this is worksheet, na?
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 7 is not there. No, it is not visible. Let it be. The ones that you can see easily, you go with those questions. Okay.
Ma'am, this you have to do in fair copy or rough copy?
In the fair notebooks, obviously.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the first and second question is not visible too.
Yes, ma'am.
Why
First and
first is
Ma'am,
asking,
option for first question and second question question is not visible.
Ellie, the measuring unit in Germany was used to measure what? Acha, it is not clear. Let me click on this. Mhm. Acha, it says, if you know the answer for this, you simply write the answer instead of going for the MCQ.
And ma'am, for the second one,
For the second one, what was Zolverin? What was Zolverin?
ma'am, like wherever the page ends, a question is missing.
Let me see.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, first question is there.
It is there.
Yes, ma'am.
What does it
Ma'am,
say?
Ma'am, we can see on that page that it is written learn CBSC, ma'am. Ma'am, at last.
Okay,
It is first question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is given.
where can we see the answer to this? From here? From here you are saying?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm.
I'm saying about question. Ma'am, first question.
Okay. Wait, wait,
Ma'am, it is.
wait. Going to that.
Ma'am, we are saying that the first question is visible, but the options to it are not visible.
Ha, that I know. I
No,
got
it is visible.
No, the options of second are visible, not first.
Oh, okay. Yes, ma'am.
I got your point. So for the question, you if you know the answer, you directly write the answer. And for the next question,
Okay,
the question is what was Zolverin?
okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, the same for question 12, 17.
Okay. For 12 and 17 also. No issues, I'll tell you
Ma'am,
that.
like wherever the page is ending, a question is missing.
Actually,
Like where the
Ah,
11th question
I
ends.
got it. I got it.
Yes, ma'am.
This one, no. See, when you are I don't know, in the phone it is opening, but here it is not opening. Koi nahi. Question number 11.
No, ma'am. Question number 12.
Yes, it is not showing. You move on with those
Ma'am,
questions.
ma'am, if it is not visible, so ma'am, can we skip that question?
You skip that question. You skip those questions which are not there, which are not
Okay.
visible.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. And 10C,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
we have a next class, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Oh,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, can we leave space for question answers?
Yes. Why do
Ma'am,
you?
can say
You can do that.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you told that you will be giving some flowchart for this chapter.
Yes, acha, so what about the worksheet then?
Ma'am, after the worksheet, we can write the
We can do
flowchart.
it, right? After the worksheet, we can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
जी बेटा?
ma'am, we have to do discuss questions in our copy.
No, no,
Ma'am,
no, no. You're
at
talking
the
about
last page of chapter.
Abhyuday, you're talking about the chapter question answers.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, after the ending of the chapter, ma'am.
हाँ, discuss questions we will be doing in the notebook. We will be doing them in the
Okay.
notebook. हाँ. You're done?
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा.
Ma'am, till which question we need to do the worksheet?
MCQs only you do. Don't go for the detailed questions which are there. 1 mark questions that you have, no? Only go for those questions. Otherwise, it
Okay,
has
ma'am.
75 questions in it. Right?
Yes.
ये दक्ष कुमार अभी से एंट्री ले रहे हैं. He left the class before the time got over.